Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How have to be guys? Most welcome my YouTube channel. Hope so friends you also fine. In this video friends I am introducing about the information about elegant, and friend in this video I am introducing about the bodycon dresses ideas elegant. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoying its beautiful ideas. That's are very beautiful information ideas, and you can gain different thinking information ideas, elegant information ideas. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoying its beautiful ideas. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoying its beautiful video, because that's very beautiful elegant ideas I am sharing with you. Hope so friends you can enjoying its beautiful information ideas I am sharing with you, uploading its video your friends, your mutual friends. Hope so friends you will enjoying its beautiful ideas. That's are very beautiful information ideas I am sharing with you. And friend you can enjoying its beautiful video. Subscribe my you can enjoying cricket ka 4 days go. You can gain a different thinking ideas, because that's very beautiful ideas I'm sharing with you. Hope so friends you will enjoying its beautiful ideas that I'm introducing, because these are very beautiful bodycon dresses ideas I'm sharing with you in this video. Hope so friends you will gain a different thinking ideas and different terminologies, elegant collection of the bodycon ideas I'm sharing with you, and you can enjoying these beautiful coming soon ideas I'm introducing. Hope so friends you will enjoying its beautiful ideas. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoying its beautiful information ideas. 79. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoying its beautiful information. Hope so friends you will gain a different ideas and different terminologies, because that's I'm introducing about the elegant information and new outstanding bodycon dresses ideas I'm introducing. You can gain a different thinking ideas, have a very beautiful ideas where I'm introducing with you. Ceiling ki video pe 12 views, and you can gain a different thinking information.